I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the table so actions apply cleanly. Click any cell to bring up table handles, and then click the small square at the top left to highlight the entire table. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, use Option plus Command plus then press again to expand selection. This saves time on large documents. Once the whole table is selected, make sure you see the blue outline. That confirms you're targeting the table rather than adjacent text or images. With the table selected, you have two reliable options. You can press Delete or Backspace to clear the cells, but that might leave an empty table structure. To remove the structure entirely, use the Format menu, choose Table, then Delete Table. Alternatively, right-click the table and pick Delete Table from the contextual menu. That's faster when you're focused in the document. Make sure to save or undo quickly if you remove the wrong table, because undo is your safety net. Finish by checking the document. The surrounding text should reflow into the space where the table was. If the table isn't gone or you clicked the wrong element, immediately press Command plus Z to undo. That restores both content and structure. If deletion still fails because of odd formatting or embedded objects, copy your content into a new Google Doc, paste without formatting, and retry the delete steps. This isolates problematic elements and ensures a clean deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.